Hello friends, fighting ke sangtene Asirvad Microfinance Limited ni bisingtei total recruitment ni notification kisan elenai tere grade jak tongo junior assistant na tilang jaknai hinke naro jara jara o post ni bagai interested candidate tongnai naro application khaimano salary hinke up to 18,000 jaknai total vacancies hinke 12 ta tongnai tere job location 3 ta jak tongo Bilonia Rajnagar Shantir Bazar 3 ta location ni bagai or contact number jak tongo hinke naro je location ni bagai application khainai o location ni contact number call khaino job ni full information lagai na norok application khaidi email id rejak tongo email id ni bisingti po norok contact khaimano minimum education qualification ke ro graduate khlaijanangnai experience na ge ro fresher candidate rokni bagai na tongnai age limit ke maximum 25 years nangnai logio driving license tona nangnai hinke ro male candidate simina application khaimanai o post ni bagai application khaina thangke norokni document nangnai update resume e aadhar card nangnai te mobile number add khlaijak nangnai e aadhar card no te educational certificate nangnai driving license pan card voter card te personal bank account tona nangnai hinke extra benefit rejak tongo norok kaham khe nainai di hinke friends norok nugui mankana Asirvad Microfinance Limited ni bisingtei total post ni notification norok o post ni bagai jara apply khainai tongnai contact number call khaiye job ni full details no sangui norok application khaidi hinke o mahai total job ni notification naina bagai Hasina Jobs YouTube channel na subscribe khai support khai tei norok total job ni notification nugui mannai।